Problem solving number 1. 2/3 of a number is 36. What is a number? Now here our solution. To find the number, you can set up the equation that is 2/3 times x, meaning x is the unknown, okay, equals 36. So ito na ang ating equation. Ngayon, next multiply both side by the reciprocal. Ngayon, by using cancellation method, ating cancel out itong 3 at saka yung 2. So equivalent na ito dito na 1. Just copy na lang itong variable na x na meron siyang numerical coefficient dyan na 1. Then equals itong 36 times natin dito sa 3, that is 108. Then over 2. Ngayon divide natin 108 divide 2, that is 54. So x equals 54. So therefore the number is 54. Thanks for watching.